What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be burning weeds with the propane torch. So burning weeds with fire. Alright guys, if you're new to this channel, consider clicking subscribe. I do a lot of these DIY household and automotive projects. Alright, let's get fire in. So I like the idea of this because it's non-toxic. It's a good idea to have the hose nearby. Definitely want to make sure you don't have anything flammable nearby. Like old gas cans or something like that. Whew, this stuff is hot. Go ahead and spray it down after we're done. Make sure we didn't start no embers on fire or nothing. This will help keep down the smoke smell too. Does a pretty good job. I guess it's better when they're dry, but it does kill the live ones too. So this little propane torch did a pretty good job with those weeds, didn't it? Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Check out my Patreon page too. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself and be safe with this one. Alright, take care.